Okay, it's a Tuesday night. I don't even drink on a Tuesday, but something happened. I have so many quilting ideas in my head. I do so many random things. I don't like to follow patterns. I like to create my own stuff. So I came up with this because I want to make a fleur-de-lis quilt. Y'all, my hair, I'm sorry. So this is the block. This is the quilt. I really like Deb Tucker's patterns, and I like her rulers, and I'm learning to teach her stuff, and I'm super excited. If you want to take some classes, the first one is going to be this right here. Purely coincidentally, like, yeah, like, it's supposed to be. What do they call that? Like, it's just, like, everything aligned. So, my pattern that I came up with, all on my own. If there's another one out there, I didn't copy it, I promise. We're just geniuses together. So, one of the blocks, squares in that block, is the shaded 4-patch. So, this quilt that I was planning on teaching with the shaded 4 patches also is in mine. Like, kind of did them separately, realized this was in there. Oh my god, like, aha moment. So I had been making the shaded 4 patches a different way, and then I just made them Deb Tucker's way, and y'all, I love them. So here's what we're gonna do. I cut enough fabric to make 2 of them. I made one, had to go get everything changed, get my camera set up, and so here we go, y'all. Here we go. Okay, y'all. So it all starts with a wide strip. I'm not giving you the pattern. You got to go get it. It's free, but you got to go get it. Link in the description. So we got a wide strip, a not so wide strip. And again, I'm just doing samples because I'm practicing. So wide strip, not so wide strip, sew it together. It is pressed to the wide side. And look, y'all, I'm just cutting it in half here. Because again, this is a sample. Doesn't even really need to be straight. So you flip them together and cut strips. So you end up with pairs of these. So you got pairs of these. You sew them together and you end up with this. You cut it so that you can flatten it to the wide side, and then you mark it so that this, you draw a line, a 45-degree angle on your thingamabobby. One on each side. You got this. You put it on your rectangle, and that's when you sew on the line. So you've got your dark fabric, you've got your backgrounds and darks, like that. You sew, then you cut. Y'all, what is this? Shaded 4 patches. I love them. That's my favorite. That's how you make the shaded 4 patch. Deb Tucker way. And then of course you want to square these up, use them in your quilt. Look for more patterns and instructions coming soon. See you guys later.